Hello everyone, today we're going to learn what's the domain of the algebraic function. And domain has definition like that. If you have function f that goes from set A to set B, where the numbers in the set A and B are real numbers, the set A is called the domain of the function. So basically, domain of the function is thing like that. If we have function f at x, and we have set of numbers that we can impart into x, then the domain would be called any number that we can impart here, impart into x. So in order to better understand, let's solve the question from the Calculus 1 book, chapter 1st. You have following four expressions, and we need to find domains for all functions. The first one, f at x is equal to 3 divided by x squared minus 1. In order to find domain, we can easily see that we can put any value here, except the one that would give 0 for the x squared minus 1, because we cannot divide to 0, which means that x squared minus 1 isn't equal to 0, which means that the domain would be any number of x that isn't equal to plus minus 1. For the second function, we have f at x is equal to 2x plus 5 divided by 3x squared plus 4. And it would be similar as the first one if we have that 3x squared plus 4 isn't equal to 0. And because of the fact that 3x squared cannot be negative and plus 4 is positive, that expression cannot be equal to 0. So which means that the x can be equal to any value from minus infinity to plus infinity. For the function c, we have f at x is equal to square root 4 minus 3x. And because square root cannot, the number inside of square root cannot be negative, we know that 4 minus 3x is at least 0, which means that the domain of the function would be any number of x that satisfies statement 4 divided by 3 is at least x. Or no, 4 divided by 3 is greater or equal to x. And for function d, we have f at x is equal to cubic root of 2x minus 1. And because cubic, the number inside of cubic root should not be not necessarily positive, it can be also negative, which means that the domain of the function would be any value of x that is from minus infinity to plus infinity. If you like the video, comment that you liked the video. So thank you.